Hello again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plant seeds using an empty container that you don't need anymore. The materials needed is a container that cannot be destroyed by adding water to it. That means that a cardboard container can't work for that. You're going to also need cotton, the seeds you would like to plant, and some water. Start off by washing the container to remove any excess residue from what was left behind. Then you take some cotton and add it to the container. Make sure to spread it evenly throughout the whole container. Pulling the cotton will make it spread easier. Then grab some water and add it to the cotton. Make sure the cotton is well drenched with the water and press it down to make sure the full cotton is soaked with water. Then grab some seeds. Here I'm using some seeds that are especially for cats that help with digestions because I would like to plant seeds for my cat to eat. Spread the seeds all over the wet cotton evenly. Then grab a bit more water and put it over the seeds. I'm also going to be growing some adas. Place the container next to a window and let it sit in the sunlight till it sprouts. We'll keep you updated on our story with the growth of the seeds. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you find this useful and you try it. And if you do, please make sure to tag us.